Welcome back to Loos Co. Today you'll learn how to set up a Locoloc M2 swaging machine. Unlike the M1 machine, which is easily portable, the M2 is meant to be mounted permanently to a bench. Your M2 will arrive in a heavy-duty shipping container, which doubles as a bench for your machine. Simply remove the machine from the container, mount to the top, and secure with the included bolts. The easy setup process is the same whether you have purchased the manual or power-driven model of the M2. At this point, you are ready to move on to installing the proper die set. When assembling, refer often to your operator's manual. The manual contains instructions and diagrams that will assist you through every step of setup and use. You will also find guidance for troubleshooting the machine, instructions for maintenance, and other helpful tips. Begin by identifying whether you are swaging straight shank terminals or ball ends, and select the proper die type. The die sets for straight shank fittings are circular, with a groove along the edge that will hold the fitting. Dies for ball type ends are square-shaped, with grooves in each corner to hold the ball. The corners are labeled 1 through 4 to assist in the swaging process. Now, choose the proper sized dies for the cable diameter you will be swaging. Each box of dies contains an upper and lower die, which are clearly marked. Place the upper and lower dies onto the machine with the markings facing outward. There is a key notch to ensure that the dies will be properly installed. Now, secure the dies with the included flat washer and cap screws, but do not over-tighten. Simply turn by hand until the fit is snug. This will allow for the dies to move slightly if necessary and align properly with the fitting while swaging. Your M2 machine comes with the feed guide pre-attached. The feed guide has a screw-adjusted stop for projects which require many runs of the same cable and fitting combination. If you are swaging fittings onto cable diameters 3/16 of an inch or smaller, you must install the adapter onto the feed guide. Use a 3/16 Allen wrench to remove the 1/4 inch bolt located at the bottom of the socket. Pass the bolt through the inner hole of the crossbar and screw it into the auxiliary adapter. Once your machine is properly set up, you can prepare the cable and fitting. Thank you for watching Loos Co. Be sure to subscribe below for updated content and click the links for the next videos in the series.